Oh, we've got an extremely desirable car here today, folks. 1968 Mustang Fastback. Now, that by itself is very desirable. This is a genuine GT car. It is a genuine S code. That's an S in the VIN number that designates a 390 motor. It's a factory 4-speed car. It's documented right here by the Marti Report. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, good looking fastback body style. This one here has the louvered hood with working turn signals in it. This is all beautiful, all straight, all clean. I didn't see any rust. All the fenders real nice. All this is real nice, clean, straight. Lines up nice, smooth along the bottom. Opens up effortlessly. Jambs are painted. Shuts with a nice thunk. The roof is real nice. It does have this rib that starts right about here. Cool little feature. And it goes onto the trunk. You got the louvers there in the quarter panel. Quarter panel's all clean metal all the way down. The trunk is all real nice, clean. Same thing on this side. All fresh, all looking really sharp. All clean metal, no rust. All nice. This one lines up real nice too. Jambs are slick. Shuts like the other side, real nice. So the body is really clean and straight. Repainted in Gulfstream Aqua. The metallic is laid out evenly, and the clear coat is polished very smooth and glossy. And then it has the C stripe on the side. That's a decal stripe that gives it a little more pop. Tires and wheels are new. Still has the little nubs right on the tread. They're BF Goodrich radial redline tires, a little bit smaller in front to give it a little muscle car stance, and new 15-inch Magnum wheels. The bumper was replaced as the original GT fog lamps. You got the running pony in here. The glass is all original. The trim looks to be in good shape. Couple little dimples. The base of the antenna looks new. This mirror looks new. The vent windows on both sides, they're original. There's some freckles on that chrome. The rain gutter's new. Door handle's new. This looks like it's new. Rocker molding looks new. This is very good original. Now coming around to the back, the bumper, the taillight bezels, the Mustang, the trim, that looks new. The GT gas cap looks original. It also has a little freckling in the chrome. Notice the GT quad tips coming out through the valance. On this side, the mirror is an original. They didn't replace it for some reason. I think that covers the outside. Beautiful car. Let's open up, show you the inside. All right, let's see how it looks inside the trunk. They painted everything. Under the trunk lid and the jambs painted. Weather strip is replaced. Actually, inside the trunk is painted up. It does have a GT wheel for a spare. Looks like a pretty old tire, though, holding air. Now, this has the sport deck seat, so this actually opens up and you have access to the interior. The trunk mat has been replaced. The gas tank's underneath there. The previous owner says he replaced that too. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click that bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. So I was showing you earlier, the jam's been repainted. Sill plates were replaced. Weather strips replaced. The black on the inside of the door has been repainted. The door panel and armrests are replaced. Looks like the window cranks are original. The door handles are new. Looks like the dash pad's new. It has new instrument panels. See, all the chrome is sparkling. It has a clock. It works when it wants to. When you tap on it or play with it, it starts to work, then it stops. Also has a factory tachometer. Someone's added an AM/FM radio. It is a Ford radio. This is all nice and clean. Kick panels look new. Interior lights, there's 4 of them. They all work. Carpets replaced. All fits very nicely. New seat belts here in the front. Here's the best part of it all. Original 4-speed. Seats are reupholstered. There we go. Or not. There we go. You have the fold down sport deck seat. You can lay things on here. Um, like I said, the lights are working. Look at all the trim inside, all the plastic. All that's looking really good. All the chrome around the sport deck seat. All real nice. This seat's reupholstered. We got original seat belts in the back. And then overhead, the trim is nice. Headliner's new, fits real nice. Visors are new. Mirrors original. It has an original steering wheel as well. It does have some cracks in the steering wheel. Overall, very nice interior. Under the dash, there was a switch for the fog lamps, and there's a couple modern gauges, oil pressure and water temperature, so you can keep accurate readings on the vitals. So yeah, that S in the VIN number tells us it's a 390 motor under the hood, runs strong. The original valve covers, they've not even been re-chromed. They're good original air cleaner assembly, also with good original chrome on top. It's even complete with the snorkel and the heat riser tube. Normally that's all gone. Looks like the cap and wires are new. The engine bay is all nice clean metal. This is the buck tag. Some assembly plants have the tag, and it's got codes on it, the GT, power steering, power brake. So that's nice to have too, even though it's documented. Solenoid looks new, battery cable. It's got a battery hold down. The horns work. Upgraded aluminum radiator. The shroud and the fan look stock. Washer bottle is hooked up. It does have power steering and power brakes. Those were still options back then, and they're very desirable options. And then underside of the hood's painted glossy like the top side. Michael's going to show you how she runs, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, I'm really a big fan of these fastback Mustangs, and this one being no exception. Factory S code 390 under the hood, rated at 320 horsepower from the factory. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, so really good time to drive, throwing that around. Lots of fun. We got power steering on this one, which works really easy. And then we also have power front disc brakes. So well equipped. And also has the turn signal indicators built into the little hood detents there. Nice easy clutch and shifter, good brake pedal. Let's see what she's got. All right. And there you go, 60 miles an hour just like that. Feels great. Nice tight revving engine here. Just enough tone on the exhaust to let them know you got something serious under the hood. I really like it altogether. Get the thumbs up right there. Thank you very much. Yeah, it doesn't take long to get lots of attention when you're in a classic, especially one that's this color. Holy cow, what a gorgeous ride. But yeah, come down, take it for a test drive if you feel you need to. Just give us about a day's notice. All the cars are located in a museum environment, and they need to be moved around. Other than that, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So underneath, it's had restoration on the floors. They replaced the metal, welded in, all solid, clean metal, no rust. And it's sprayed in the primer like a lot of them left the factory with. The front end looks like it's been gone through. A lot of the bushings still look very fresh. The power steering control valve was recently replaced, as Monroe shocks in the back. Dual exhaust system looks fresh. It has Flowmaster mufflers, sounds real nice. This car came with factory disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brake is all hooked up. So overall, well maintained, serviced, and restored underside. So go to volocars.com, and I did mention the Marti Report. This, you give them the VIN number, they have the microfilm from when this car was built. It says where it was sold to, a Pioneer Ford in Pennsylvania, the options, how many were made. So that's nice documentation to have. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your Mustang GT S code delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.